some post-production, make images more splendid. Welcome to our post-production beauty class. This section shows how to recover detail in documentary photos. Let us begin. Today, we recover detail and boost color in a cultural shot. This was taken at Chengwu Ancient City. We will restore detail without altering content. Enhance detail and saturation while keeping elements intact. We return to the original. When we have no clear goal and do not know how to adjust, we start with order. This was shot on July 1st at Chengwu. The image is strong and grand. The sky has strong visual impact. The key is the party flag. The flag is very prominent. Perfect for the July 1st theme. What are the flaws? First, the sun area. Because it was shot on a digital camera, although exposure compressed the tonal range, where do we start? First, analyze the story. That is point 1. Point 2, we consider which processing approach to use. If you have no clear goal, we apply auto. Camera rule auto. It balances exposure and contrast. Auto never gives a final look. What is step 2? First, check the shadows. Do we need to lift them? If yes, we check if shadows need opening. Once shadows are lifted, the image becomes flat. Blacks are weak, shadows up, blacks down. Lower blacks. Shadows sit in the mid to dark range. They are not pure black, so layering blacks affects only the deepest tones. Most shadow detail is preserved. After this, we raise contrast. Added contrast makes details crisp. Should we lower whites and highlights? Some students ask, doesn't layering whites and highlights increase gray? What is the point of contrast? First, we lower highlights to recover blend detail. We want rich highlights. Second, when we lower highlights and lift shadows, we must raise contrast. If we leave contrast flat, the result is a flat gray image. So how much contrast? Adjust until visually pleasing. Check histogram. Touch the walls, but do not climb. A tiny climb is okay. That is the ideal histogram. And colors stay clean. This image, what is its weakness? It is a JPG, not a log file, so latitude is limited. After basic rule. For documentary work, we can add texture and clarity or haze, depends on taste. If we add haze, it looks dull, so we add clarity and boost vibrance. Vibrance is already up, no need to add more. Too much causes color splitting. We must find the balance. Balance is key. That is basic panel, after basics for cultural shots. How to use color mixer. Same approach. We pick hue. The sunlight is too yellow. That is not realistic. It should be yellow with red. Yellow-red mix. So we shift hue, add red. After adding red, do we boost saturation? Yes, a touch. And we can darken luminance. Darken luminance brings out detail. Take the city name sign, it is golden. We can adjust only those letters. Say we sample here. If too small, we zoom to 100%. Then enlarge. Shift hue toward red or yellow-red mix. Lift luminance and boost saturation. This is precise. Precision. Only the letters are affected. Other colors stay the same. And the party flag saturation needs a boost or luminance. We can change it. Make a pop, including the red shirt. See the red shirt. After these tweaks, the overall tone is clean, fresh. Let us compare. A plain photo now meets documentary standards. What next? Is this enough? For most documentary work, yes. If you want perfection, we move to Photoshop. What to adjust? Correct distortion because we shot wide angle, and the angle was tilted. So there is distortion. We can fix it. And highlights that are too bright. We can paint color. Say we paint a tint, brush on color, in the brush, add yellow. See, yellow and purple. Sample local colors, matching hues, and adjust saturation. This part, since it is JPG, we can only go so far. After adjustments, what next? Zoom detail panel, zoom to 100%. Check a full size. After our tweaks, noise will appear. Yes, noise increases, so we reduce noise. Lower noise, and reduce color noise. Then sharpen. Sharpening purpose, prevent mushy look. More sharpening, more detail. Too much looks fake. We must find the balance. Sharpening balance is key. Apply moderate sharpening. After all adjustments, we open into Photoshop. Note this point. This lighting effect. We can enhance it. Where to adjust? In the color mixer, shift hue warmer. Warmer. Then leave luminance. See luminance rise. Now lighting is stronger. Then we open image. Once open, first double-click, turn into layer. Because if you do not, it stays background. Wall will not work. Cannot be used. Step 1. Double-click to layer. Once layered, we use CT/LT free transform. WLP true. Then stretch. Hold out draw. Single point pull. See single point. This prevents distortion. Correct perspective. Note, when buildings are present, keep horizontal vertical. So we open ruler CT or LR. Drag guides. Compare and then use warp to correct. Check for distortion. When done, double-click OK. Then crop tool C. Must be in English for shortcuts. Then extend canvas. Top is too tight. Feels cramped. So we stretch. Expand wall. Left and right can expand. OK. Then students ask, why is top empty? What to do? Simple. We select an area. Right-click Content Aware Fill. Scale Aware. It fills sky automatically. Filled. Same here. Add obvious themes. Be patient, do more steps. Notice the tower is a pole. We copy pole first. Duplicate it. Select circle. Fit the 0.5 px, 0.5 pixels. Copy it. Then fill sky behind it. Erase, new layer brush. Control size. When done, merge. Control Alt Shift L auto contrast. Check OK, image is complete.